Yo, we are back. We are in the house. Yes, in-house bills with Trey. Make sure you check me out. Hit that like, share, subscribe. And go ahead and write a comment because this could be yours. So make sure you're getting them comments. Tell me what you like, what you dislike, what size bars y'all like, 10s, 12s, 14s, 8s, what you like, man, because yes, we is giving it away. So make sure you share, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend, because when we get them subscribers up, we are giving it away. So we still waiting on parts. It's cold as hell outside, so I'm gonna just drop a little video on y'all, let you see where we started, where we at. You might get a vision of where we going. But yeah, like I said, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. Get in them comments. Let me know what y'all like. Internally wired. You don't see no wires. 14-inch knee hooks. Internally wired. Here's a bitch. Are they done? Yeah, them motherfuckers look fucking good. God damn, them bitches look good. Internally wired, bitch. You don't see no motherfucking wires. Where the motherfucking wires? Go up in the handlebars, come down, come out. The wires was a bitch to do. But God damn, these motherfuckers look good, man. To go from the stock bars, where they at? Go from these to these. Lord have mercy. Don't forget, we still got that black thing over there. But look at that fucking handlebars. Fucking chrome things. Woo! I fucking love it. Yes, I like it. I love it. Them things are good, man. Alright, let's finish mopping everything up. I gotta let the put the inner frame back in place so I can get the bars in place where I want it.